equipment-free body weight and shadow boxing. Awesome cardio you can do anytime, anywhere, mixing in some strength and core moves as well. I think you'll really enjoy it. Round one, we're gonna start with T push-ups, then do jabs, orthodox stance, jabs, southpaw stance. A minute each, back to back to back. So we're in a T push-up position. Level one is just rotating side to side. Arm is directly in line with the trunk. We're not over-rotating, we're locked in there. From there, you'll rotate, rotate, push, vertical forearms, elbows about 30 to 45 degrees away from the trunk. Rotate, rotate, push. Hardest option is you do a push-up before each rotation. As many reps as you can in a minute. Notice I pivot those feet as I do it, lock it in. That T push-up is really gonna engage not only chest, shoulders, triceps, upper, mid, back, rear shoulder as well, in the core. From there, we're going into our boxing. Now, I'm gonna try to get this to you as quick as I can with technical proficiency. So we're gonna get into our stance. Our orthodox stance is left foot right in front of the left shoulder, right foot in line or just outside of the right shoulder. You're on the balls of the feet. Fists are here, locked in. You start palms facing and then you come over the top and finish overhand. So on our jabs, I'm going to throw those hips. You can even, if you want, step with it. And we're not like doing like this non-stop for a minute. You're trying to get some good pop in those jabs. Exhale through the punch, right? And then minute three, you switch sides. You're gonna be, if you're a righty, southpaw is gonna feel strange. But again, get that good stance, that shoulder's forward. The key is that shoulder position allows you to get the rotation where the punching power comes from. So I'm locked in. Or you can even. All right, so you've got options there. But again, think on snapping that jab versus trying to get as many as you can and make sure we get full extension. Round two, speed squats is minute one. So I'm locked in, good squat stance. Gonna reach down for counterbalance and then swing them through and try to get as many reps as you can in a minute. Speed, conditioning, endurance, get a good rhythm going. Swing to reach for counterbalance, rip through as we come in. Then we go straights. In minute two, we're orthodox, I'm locked in, punch over the top. So I'm throwing from that back hip. I even like to sometimes step back, kind of be like dodging a shot, but the big focus is come over the top and really throw the hip. All right, and then minute three, same thing other side. Now, straight as the back side here. Coming over, see? Guard stays up. All right, rock them out. Round 3, 4, and 5 coming up. Round 3, we're gonna be doing push-up rows, then hooks. So I'm here in a push-up position. We're rotating on the T. We're anti-rotating on the push-up row. So hips and shoulders square to the ground. Pull up, pull up. That's the easiest option. Just pretending like you're doing a row but without weight, but adding explosion and speed of movement to it. From there, level 2, row, row, push. Level 3 is you do a push after each row. Wow. Especially gets hard when you mix in the resistance move with the punches. So the hooks, get to our stance. The big focus here is pivot the feet, rotate the hips. Boom. So I'm here, I'm not trying to wind up and go like this. It's tight and quick and it's driven through the hips. Boom, boom, boom. Someone's chin is right here. Boom, hit the chin. See how I finish? And watch my foot right there. Boom, boom, all right? So throwing your arms. Again, it's not about getting as many as you can, it's about really getting power on the punch. And then again, you'll switch sides and repeat. Definitely harder on the other side, but again, don't get frustrated, get better, practice, right? From there, round 4, skater jump to lunge complex. So, mixing with now 1-2s. So we're gonna go minute 1, you're gonna do a skater lunge, reach and touch, opposite hand, pull right through, and then we are jumping, pulling right back. Same thing, skater lunge, skater jump. I repeat that, going to the left for the entire first minute. From there, minute 2 and 3, 1, 2. So, to our stance. Make sure now we're doing the 1, 2, the jab and the straight. Don't shortchange either punch. We want to make sure we get all the way out. So, think about each 1, 2 as a single rep, and then keep stringing the reps together. All right, and make sure you're popping those hips. Same thing other side in minute 3. 5th and final round. You're going skater lunge to jump, and minute 1 to the other side. So step, notice opposite arm leg pattern. Come through, skate, swipe the arms across the body. Skater lunge, skater jump. Right back. And then, minute 2 and 3 to finish. We got 1, 2 hooks. Combine all the punches we learned. Notice the layers to this. So I'm going 1, 2, hook. 1, 2, hook. And by the way, you can even, in between reps, see I'm on the balls of my feet, just bouncing, ready to go. All right, making sure 1, 2, hook. Minute 2, minute 3, same thing other side. All right, that sequence can be repeated one more time for a longer workout, but even one time through on that, one cycle through those 5 rounds. Awesome workout, heart rate will get up. No equipment, also nice fast twitch power movements. Low impact for the joints. Gotta love that blend. Peace.
Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for fast, fun, and effective workouts for busy parents and professionals, get a free trial to thedailybj.com today.